right, number 2 says, Mr. Harper gave his 4 children $37.44 to share equally at the store. How much money will each child receive? All right, so I'm just picturing Mr. Harper. He's got some money. I know this has happened when I have my own children. I have some money, and I want them to share the money. So what do I have to do with the money? Well, I'm thinking I have to split the money. And anytime we're thinking about sharing equally, what do you think about? Well, hopefully you're thinking about dividing. All right, let's go ahead and make our window pane. And it says, how much money will each child receive? Each child will receive blank. And I'm going to go ahead and put a $sign there because we are talking about money. All right, so what pieces of this problem do I need to know? Well, I need to know that there are 4 children, and they're all going to share the $37.44 equally. So we're sharing equally, and I've been saying that for a while, that anytime we're sharing equally, we're going to be dividing. So as I make a quick picture, I've got my money here, and this money is $37.44, and we're going to share that between the 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. But what we don't know is how much money each person will receive. So that's going to be our job. We're going to divide that. So setting up this problem looks like $37.44 divided by the number 4. To make a quick estimate, I'm thinking about 37. I want to round that to the nearest 10. So that's pretty close to 40. And still dividing by those 4 children, I'm thinking that each kid's going to be about $10. That's a reasonable number. Okay, so if you don't know your 4s, then what you want to do at this moment is go ahead and make a top-bottom chart of your 4s. So we have one group is 4, 2 groups is 8, 3 groups is 12, 4 groups is 16, 5 groups is 20, 6 groups is 24, 7 groups would be 28, 8 groups would be 32, and 9 groups would be 36. All right, so at this moment, what we want to do is set up our problem, and then I'm going to let you pause the video. Pause the video, solve the problem, and then come back and see if we agree on the answer. All right. Anytime we're dividing and a decimal's involved, the very first thing I like to do is pop up that decimal right away. Then I don't have to worry about it. Okay, so now we're getting ready to start. How many groups of 4 are in the number 3? There are 0. How many groups of 4 will get me close to 37? I'm going to look over here, get as close to 37, and I see that the number 9 is what I want to put on top. 9 groups of 4 is 36, so I'm going to slide that number right underneath 37 to quickly subtract. 37 minus 36 is 1, and 1 is less than 4, so I can keep going. I have 14. I'm ready to divide all over again. How many groups of 4 are in 14? Getting as close as I possibly can without going over would give me 3. 3 groups of 4 is the number 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. 2 is less than 4, so I'm ready to bring down my next number, which happens to be 4. How many groups of 4 are in 24? So I'm going to scan, getting as close as I possibly can, and the number is 6. 6 times 4 is 24, with 0 left over. It looks like each person in the family is going to get $9.36. Is $9.36 close to my estimate of 10? Absolutely. Go back and record your answer here. I'll see you back for question number 3.